Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. I know you all are doing awesome. Today we will learn about how we can add food card in Sam Club. It is a very simple and easy to add your bank account in Sam Club. For adding your bank account like food, visa card, debit card, credit card, you just need to click on payment method. I am not a member, that's why I can directly go to payment method. If you are a member in Sam Club, you just need to click on payment method. After clicking on payment method, there is a multiple option like add bank account, e-transfer or other wallets. It is you just need to click on add a bank account. When you click on add a bank account, there is a multiple bank option like the banks that are in the Canada. You just need to select your bank account, and then after selecting your bank account, put your account information. When you put your bank account information, it will done. This is the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon and share to those people who don't know about how we can add a food card in Sam Club membership.